Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a really fun and bright peachy pink gradient with some white polka dots, and this was actually one of my entries for What's Up Nails March Nail Art Challenge, and today I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with the lightest shade in my gradient, which is Heroine NYC's Peach Please, and this is such a pretty pastel neon coral shade. I applied 2 coats of Peach Please as my base, and then I applied some Edge Perfection liquid latex all around my nail to make cleanup from the gradient a lot easier. Then I'm going to apply a stripe of Peach Please and a stripe of Mean Girl, which is a super bright neon pink polish, to a makeup sponge, and I'm going to slightly overlap the 2 colors in the center. Then I just sponge that onto my nail with the peach color near my cuticle and the neon pink color close to my free edge, and I just repeated that a few times until I was happy with how opaque the colors were and how blended they were in the center. Then I just removed the Edge Perfection with a pair of tweezers, and it was just so satisfying to have a clean peel. And then I smoothed out that gradient with a layer of a fast drying top coat. And here is what the gradient looked like at this point if you wanted to stop there, but I'm going to be adding some white polka dots on top, and I'm going to be using What's Up Nails Blanc My Mind, which is actually a white stamping polish, but I'm going to use it to paint on some dots with my favorite dotting tools from NAILSTUFF.CA, and I just painted a few different columns of white dots with this small dotting tool, trying to keep the dots pretty evenly spaced apart. I did end up getting a little bit of polish on my skin, which I just cleaned up with a brush dipped in some acetone, and then I finished off this design with 1 coat of a fast drying top coat. So here is the finished peachy pink polka dot nail art design, and if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials just like this one, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it, but anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!